In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve Outlook error 400. This error can be quite a hindrance, but with a few simple steps, we'll have you back up and running in no time. Let's dive right in. To kick things off, sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. If you're experiencing error 400, it might just be due to a temporary glitch. These glitches aren't uncommon in browsing experiences and can often be resolved by refreshing the page or restarting your browser. For a hard refresh, which is more thorough than a simple reload, press Ctrl plus F5. This removes cached data for the page and forces the browser to load the page anew. If that doesn't do the trick, try closing your browser entirely and then reopening it. This can clear out many minor hiccups that may develop during your browsing session. Now, if refreshing or restarting doesn't solve the problem, it could be due to corrupted cookies or cache data, which are often the main culprits behind this error. They can accumulate over time and start causing issues with how web pages, including Outlook, function in your browser. Therefore, clearing your browser cache and cookies can serve as an especially effective fix. Let me walk you through this process. If you're using Chrome or Edge, start by heading to your browser's settings. Once there, look for Privacy and Security. It's the hub for everything related to your browsing data. Within this area, you'll find an option to clear browsing data. When prompted, you'll want to specifically select cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. It's crucial to pick these because they directly relate to the kind of data that, when corrupted, leads to errors like the one we're dealing with today. As an extra step, to ensure thoroughness, set the time range to all time. This ensures you're removing all potentially problematic data that might have built up over numerous browsing sessions. After selecting these options, go ahead and clear that data. Once the process is complete, restart your browser to enforce these changes. Reopening your browser ensures a fresh start and applies the cleared settings across your browsing experience. With these steps completed, return to Outlook and see if the error persists. Typically, this combination of refreshing the page, restarting the browser, and clearing cookies and cache resolves the issue effectively. Remember, regularly clearing your cache and cookies can also improve your browser's overall performance, so it's a handy tip for keeping things running smoothly on the web. That's all there is to it. With a bit of patience and these straightforward steps, Outlook error 400 should be well behind you. Thanks for tuning in, and happy browsing!